In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer Tastytrade to Huobi Global. Firstly, open your Tastytrade app or go to the website. Navigate to My Money, then select on Deposits. Select your Tastytrade account and click on Link your bank account. Now, all you have to do is choose your bank from the provided list and log in to your bank provider. If your bank isn't listed, you can manually enter your bank details. Now go to My Money again and click Withdraw. Select the amount you want to send to your bank account. Confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to appear in your bank, usually around 1 to 2 business days. Now log into your Huobi Global account. Go to Assets, Deposit, then Fiat. Select your preferred currency and bank transfer option, then follow the instructions to link the same bank account you used with Tastytrade, then initiate the deposit and confirm. And that's it, guys.